Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Uday's Review. In this video, let us see a budget-oriented smartphone from Samsung and its model number is Samsung M10. So friends, without wasting time, let us get into the unboxing. Friends, this is a phone. This is the front side of the phone. As we can see, it is Samsung M10. This is the back side of the phone, and this phone is 3GB and 32GB variant. And let us see what is there inside. Let us unbox the phone and see.
This phone has 3 seals. Let us break open the seal. Let us slide open the box. In that box, there are paper guides like user manual, warranty card and regional lock code. This is a phone. Let me keep it aside and show you what we get in the box. So this is a phone. Let us remove all the plastics on the phone and let us look around the phone. This phone has 2 rear cameras. One is 13 megapixel f1.9 wide camera and 5 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera. You also have LED flash light. Bottom we have a speaker grill. Below the phone we have microphone, USB charger and a headphone jack. This phone has a triple slot where you can put 2 nano SIM cards and 1 dedicated micro SD cards up to 1 TB. In front, we have a water drop notch with 5 megapixel camera and a in-display flash. Let us boot the phone. This is the first boot of the phone. Until it gets booted, let us look into the specifications. Let us set up the phone and see the home screen of the phone. So here let us follow the instructions. Let me press on let's go. Let me check all the info and agree it. And I will not connect to any of the things, so let me give skip. not now, skip. Skip, skip, and finish. This is the home screen of the phone. Now let us see what version of Android it runs. It has Samsung's One UI OS and it runs on Android Pie, that is Android 9. Let me go to the camera. The focusing of the camera is good. Let me place the object in front of the camera. In this camera, as I told you, there is a wide angle and ultra wide angle. Let us test it out. This is wide angle and this is ultra wide angle. Now let us go outside and see the display and continue with the camera options. Let us go to the video section now. In video, we have wide and ultra wide options. This is the ratio of the image where we can select 1:1, 16:9, full screen. Let us go to the software settings and see the current build and its security patch. Now let us update the software. As I have downloaded the software earlier, let us just update the software. This is a build of the software which is going to be updated, and its security patch is of August 1st, 2019 and it is of 300 MB in size. Let us update it. It will take some time, so let us forward the video. Installation is done. Let us see if the software is updated or not. Let us go into the settings and see whether the software is updated or not. After all the updates, you will be receiving a notification that software is updated. Let me go to the software update once again and see whether it has any other updates. No, this is the latest updates, we already downloaded it. So, this is how to install the updates.
Friends, hope you like this budget-oriented smartphone Samsung M10. Friends, we are also coming up with interesting product videos. So please subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. And also please don't forget to like our social media platform. Thank you.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notification.